In our series of national park, today we will be looking at state of Madhya Pradesh. As you all know, the Madhya Pradesh is having highest area under the forest. So that's why we find as many as 10 national parks located in this area. Let's see the geographical map for better clarity. This is your Madhav National Park, right here. This is your Panna National Park, Sanjay National Park, Van Vihar National Park, Bandhavgarh National Park, Satpura National Park, Fossil National Park, Pench National Park, and Kana National Park. One national park is missing. Here in Shivpuri, we also find Kuno National Park. So these are your 10 national parks located in this particular state. Let's talk about the features of these national parks, starting with the Kana National Park, which is also a tiger reserve located in Maikal range of Satpuras. We find hard-grounded Barasingha exclusive in this area. That's why we call him Bhura the Barasingha, जो कि यहाँ का mascot भी है. If we talk about other species of animal which we can find in this area is tiger, leopard, dhole, bear, gaur, Indian python. The kind of forest we can find here are sal forest. Now let's talk about the Kuno National Park, which is located in Shivpur, Madhya Pradesh. The river Kuno flows through this national park, which is a tributary of Chambal River. As you all know, Chambal is a badland topography. That's why we find northern tropical thorn forest in this particular area, dominated by trees like Khadai, Salai, and Khair. Recently, Wildlife Institute of India, Wildlife Trust of India, they said we can introduce cheetah and Asiatic loin in this area. आपको जैसे पता होगा एशियाटिक लॉइंस में there was one disease known as canine distemper virus. Because of that, many loins were found dead. So that's why to introduce this Asiatic loin will provide us a feasible population of loin at all time, because as they are located in one particular area, that is Gir National Park. So that's why if any sort of disease like canine distemper virus can cause a lot of damage to the population of these Asiatic loin. Besides that, cheetah is also reintroduced. We are planning to reintroduce cheetah in this particular park. Till 1948, we used to have cheetahs, but after that, due to excessive hunting and habitat fragmentation, we find the population of cheetah being extinct from India. So that's why we are planning to purchase some of the cheetahs from Africa and reintroduce in this particular national park. So that's it. Recently news mein raha hai, so that's why it become very important. You should remember this. Now let's talk about the Panna National Park, which is located in Vindhyachal of Madhya Pradesh. Ken River flows through this national park, and you can find teak forest in this area, which are like your dry mixed deciduous forest, or you can say dry deciduous forest. And you can also find thorn forest in this area. Important species of animal which you can find in this area are tiger, leopard, hyenas, wild dog, sloth bears, white-necked stork, cheetal, chausinga, sambar, and many more species of deer, blue bull, etc. If we talk about this particular area is dominated by khardai and teak woods. So this is it about the Panna National Park. Let's talk about the Satpura National Park, which is located in the southern part of your Narmada River. It is also a tiger reserve and biosphere reserve. If we talk about Satpura National Park, it is the northern extreme of your Western Ghat. We can find animals like Indian tiger, giant squirrel, skimmer, leaf-nosed bats in this particular area, and also hornbills that are found in this area. Although this area is located in Panchmarai Plateau of Madhya Pradesh, we can find teak and sal forest in this area. Let's talk about the Bandhavgarh National Park, which is located in eastern Satpura Hills. And mythologically, if we talk about, Bandhav means brother and Garh means fort. So there was a fort in this particular national park which was built by Ram for Lakshman, Lord Ram for Lakshman, to keep an eye on Sri Lanka. So that's why this is very important. The mythical knowledge you should remember. And if we talk about this particular national park, you should also remember this, that it has the highest population of tiger in this, highest density, and it has a highest population of leopard as far as India is concerned. we can find dry deciduous type of forest in this particular national park. Let's move to the next national park, that is Madhav National Park, the northernmost. It is located in the Vindhyas Hills, Upper Vindhyas Hill. And two important lakes that are found in this area are Sankhya and Madhav Sagar. If we talk about Sankhya, we find marsh crocodile in this particular lake. We have Nilgai, Chinkara, Chausinga, Sambar, Cheetal, barking deer, leopard, jackal, wild dog, dhole in this area. Beside that, you should learn this. Tropical dry deciduous forests are found here, and Khardai is a tree type that is dominating in this area. Next one is your Sanjay National Park, which is also known as Sanjay Dhubrai National Park. Recently, a white tiger, Mohan, was breeded with Radha. So that's why we can say white tigers are famously found in this particular national park, that is Sanjay Dhubrai National Park. This Sanjay Dhubrai National Park was extracted out of Guru Ghasidas National Park, which is located in state of Chhattisgarh. क्योंकि 2000 में हमने छत्तीसगढ़ एक अलग स्टेट बनाई थी from Madhya Pradesh, so that's why this national park is divided into two states. One is known as Sanjay Dhubrai National Park and other one is known as Guru Ghasidas National Park. Sal tree is dominating in this area, and this Sanjay National Park is acting as corridor between Bandhavgarh and Palamu Tiger Reserve. So this is it about the Sanjay National Park. Let's talk about the Van Vihar National Park, which is also known as Bada Talab National Park, or which is a Ramsar site also. So the dry deciduous kind of forest that can be found in this area, and we have unique type of variety of animals in this area, like we can find tigers, white tigers, leopards, hyenas and sloth bear, cheetals in this area. So this is it about Van Vihar National Park. Let's talk about the Pench Tiger Reserve, which we have covered yesterday also. So Pench River flows through this particular national park and it is located in Satpura Hills. The Jungle Book, जो आपके famous Rudyard Kipling's की जो book थी, The Jungle Book, is based on this particular national park. That's why it is known as Mowgli Land also. If we talk about kind of forests which we can find in this area are southern dry deciduous type of forest and also tropical mixed deciduous type of forest that can be found in this area. We find tiger, panther, jungle cat, small Indian kivets, palm kivets, jackal, sloth bear, rattle, common giant squirrels, flying squirrels, and four-horn antelopes that can be found in this area. Let's talk about the Fossil National Park, as there is no much information about this national park, but we find a lot of fossil in this area, so that's why we call it as Fossil National Park. It is like having a plant which fossil that is dated way like 40 to 150 million years ago. So this is located in Mandal district of Madhya Pradesh. That's it, you have to know about this national park. So this is all national park of your Madhya Pradesh. I hope you are able to extract all important information about this national park. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned to our channel. Thank you very much.